Hi, I'm Josiane Sewchuk, and today you're going to watch a routine video here at the farm. I hope you enjoyed today's video, right? Miguel? If you like it, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and share the video with everyone. Now let's get to the video. Let's get to the video.
I'm by your side.
Guys, I'm here in Vilazinha, close to home. I came to do some shopping at the store and decided to stop for a bit. In this pavilion that I had never entered before, here in the community pavilion, the district headquarters. And look, I don't know who's responsible, if it's the public authorities or whoever it is. But look, it's abandoned, total neglect, right? The only good part is outside. I'll show you the outside here of the pavilion. Look at what's there. This here is a little bag. This here is the loofah. It's delicious. I'm going to take this and bring it home, right? Since everything here is kind of abandoned. We also take the opportunity to spread the word in the video, make an appeal, ask the authorities to restore this place, the little church here next door, the pavilion headquarters up there. It used to be an old hospital. This was a community that once had 5,000 or 6,000 inhabitants. Now there are 300 or 400 people at most. I don't know whose responsibility this is, whether it's the church or the city hall, but it's just a shame, right? Seeing a place like this all abandoned. But let's take on the challenge, right? Here, look, the advantage of carrying a little knife in the car. And since I'm someone who thinks about others too, I left a little bit there in case someone comes by and wants to take some before it all falls on the ground.
And now let's go see what Daddy bought. Look, I was taking care of this little one. Let's go, Daddy's here. Let's see what Daddy bought. Guys, he's going to be a YouTuber too, right? Miguel, are you going to be a YouTuber? You're going to be a YouTuber? Let's go.
Look.
Keep watching then. Let's see what Daddy brought. Something nice. And then see what... Okay. Bye. Look at that, guys. What did you get up to this time? I can already see you brought something good.
You went to the village store.
I bought some meat.
Colonial lard, all of this produced right there.
Look here, guys. A big bottle of colonial lard, meat, and pork rind.
I already ate half of it at Faro.
Oh, it's so good, right, honey? I'm already eating here too. It's so tasty. Wow, the smell is delicious.
Some people in Brazil don't know buca. I'll show inside for those unfamiliar. Look, it's really fibrous.
Right, baby? You have to use this juice and then remove the fiber. That's how you take it out.
Throw away the fiber that's left and keep the nut on the side. Because after it dries, it's really tasty.
Yeah, you hit it with a hammer, right? And you get the little coconut, guys. Look how pretty it is. I have loofah planted down there in my garden, but it takes a long time to grow. Look how beautiful it is. Wow, the smell here is really good. Let's taste it to see if it's sweet. Taste it. Oh my god, you guys have no idea. Look at Miguel staring at his finger, all messy and smiling. Do you want to try it too? Try it? Look how sweet it is, man.
I don't think she liked it very much.
Let's not see. Okay. It's from Barum, it is. We conclude. He didn't like it. Funny, he's used to avocado banana. Do you want more? What a strange thing, Mommy. You even managed to open your mouth, bye. Too good, isn't it?
And castaña.
How is it? All gossip?
We let the nut dry in the sun for a few days. Then we crush it with a hammer. And inside there's a really tasty little nut, which is it tastes kind of like a little coconut, right? It tastes like coconut. Have you tried butia? If you're watching, comment below if you have or if you haven't heard of it. They say
that it's a
southern fruit here, right, Josie? Not sure if butia grows elsewhere.
I don't think there's butia elsewhere, right? You know one that I wish we had here, but I don't think we do. It probably doesn't even grow here. It's a bukaja. Oh my god, it's the best little fruit to eat sweet without sugar, right? Very sour.
That's just how life is.
And then
Miguel, is the butia tasty? Is it good?
you got the butia. Oh. Beautiful thing. Lunchtime. Bob over there, waiting to be called. Miguel too, the other handsome guys hiding over there. Dad already having lunch. And guys, look at the little lunch Isabel made. You guys have no idea how good this tastes. Beef, rice, nuggets, salad. This girl of mine is amazing. This is delicious. Have you tried it yet? Guys, she manages everything, and she made the salad with everything from the garden. It turned out perfect. It's delicious. It turned out really, really tasty, guys. Isabella's getting better and better, right? Before she only made sweet things, now she's putting effort into lunches and I'm going to eat. Guys, I'm hungry. Now I'm going to put some steaks here for these cherry tomatoes that are on the ground. Little steaks are in place. Look, look. Ergui todos os tomates. Bye, thanks. Okay. Essas estacas aqui. Now it needs to be watered, but this garden bed already looks much better with the little steaks. I came in to have a little chimarrão. Let me show you. Look, I came in to have some bitter mate. And look who's here, just had a bath, looking all handsome, right? Miguel, right? Miguelito, right? Miguelito. Miguelito. You're grumpy, you're grumpy, you're grumpy, man. You're grumpy, man. Oh.
The world could fall down. It's good.
Guys.
Don't mind the sweat here. It's just that I'm here on the train tracks looking for wood, you know, the kind we use at home for barbecues anyway, wood that's fallen on the ground and is just going to waste. And just so you know, whoever takes the train here in Piratuba, which leaves from the city center and goes all the way to Rio Grande do Sul, Marcelino Ramos, it basically passes right in front of our house. Look at that, look at that. No matter where I go, even in the woods, he always comes along. I can close the gate, I can lock up everywhere I can think of. He always finds a way and comes after me.
And Mommy is taking care of baby Miguel here, who's already so big, while little sis here, wake up, wake up. While little sis is downstairs making mayonnaise, I don't know if you can hear her mixing the mayonnaise dish, but we're going to go check it out. Let's see what she's up to. Yeah, little sis is making food. Oh my god, he's choking. He's choking while being all cute. It's the cutest thing. Let's go with little sis. Let's go with little sis. And look over there, Miss Isa. What are you up to today? Making mayonnaise, right, for the barbecue? Oh, how fancy. The potatoes are cooking over there, and there are boiled eggs too, which I like. I don't know if it is, right? Here's the creamy part because I don't really like mayonnaise with that store-bought mayonnaise, you know, the kind that comes in a jar, so I prefer it this way. She likes it homemade. Oh my god, how beautiful it is, just like that, with green onions, right? I'm going to add the pickled cucumber. Where should I put it? Oh, how delicious. Look at that, the preparations, and I'm so excited here. You guys have no idea. The rice is ready. The last time she made it 2 weeks ago, it was just perfect, really, really perfect. There you go. Last week, as you know here on the channel, we ran out of eggs, right, Isa? But this time we remembered, and the rice is already ready too. We need to get some chickens here for the farm so we can have eggs. The chicken tail isn't for the lady, guys. This is for the dogs. Show them. Here, Isa, look what we did. We bought chicken tails and fried them like this to give as a snack, right, Isa? The little snacks are for the cats and the doggies outside. Let's see what Daddy is up to. Listening to the radio. Over there. Behaves like Bohemia. Hosey leaves me alone and just goes to the radio. Look at the size of the pumpkin that was found there at the ranch. She's already put the meat in. Isa is already making love. She has ash on her face, on top, on her forehead, and what's left is on the side, right? Just a bit of stirring with the thread. See, Isa's already doing it. She's making our mayonnaise with care. It's going to turn out great today. You're enjoying it. What a joy. Bye, bye, bye.
Olha, sapateado, Miguel.
Esse papai. Se aperta. Bye, baby.
Bye bye, your eyes. Get bye bye. Bye bye, your side. Bye bye. I know you've bye bye bye. Hey. Bye bye. Right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down.
Cutie?
It's gonna be okay.
It's just that it's...
Okay.
Look over there, Umrah mayonnaise and the little things she made. Lunch is almost being served. And Jack over there, what is he bringing for us?